So welcome back to my channel. I am going to tell you guys how you can start eating healthy, plant-based / vegan diet. So you guys have been asking me a lot how to do this, and I'm going to tell you. So definitely start incorporating it into your diet, and not go cold turkey right away. I feel that way you'll have better results. A lot of you say, I just don't know where to start. What should I do? I want to, but I have no idea how to. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that in this video, you guys. So don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. So the first step you guys wanna do, it's super simple, but it makes a huge difference. And you guys wanna watch out for these 5 ingredients. So the first ingredient, you guys, is definitely number 1 is high fructose corn syrup. A lot of items that contain sugar, they don't want to pay for the more expensive ingredient, which is pure cane sugar, so they put high fructose corn syrup. It's very cheap, but it has some bad side effects such as symptoms of ADHD and hyperactivity, you guys. So really try to limit that in your kids' food and meals, their snacks. You guys will see a big difference in their concentration at school, especially if your child has problems concentrating and things like that. So number 2, this one is super important. I slowly start cutting it out, and it is red number 40 dye. You guys, this one is a huge no. It is banned in Europe, and it is found in everything that's red, from pop, candy, Twizzlers, Gatorade, Kool-Aid, Pop-Tarts, strawberry filling, cherry filling, things like that. You guys want to watch out for it. So if there's more than one option, definitely try not to get the red one. In a lot of other countries, the same candy you find here, it's just the same, but they're not allowed to have the red dye. So there's no red M&Ms like in Europe. They take that all out of the other countries, but they still have it here. Number 3, this one is super important, especially for your older loved ones, like your grandparents, your aunts, your uncles, people in nursing homes, but also children as well. And that is aspartame. So aspartame is not good for you. It causes cancer, and it is found in things like Diet Cokes, alternative sweeteners, things like Splenda, and other sweeteners, you guys. The sweeteners that they put in Diet Pops, it's not real sugar, it's aspartame. And you guys may notice when you drink certain things, right in the back of your neck, it hits that, and it causes memory loss and Alzheimer's, you guys. So be very careful. I would notice right in the back of your neck, you will feel that kind of like sting or like an uncomfortable sensation. It's very faint, but you will start noticing it. You start cutting out aspartame and your memory will improve. You won't be foggy. You can concentrate longer, and you can memorize longer as well. Okay, you guys, number 4, palm oil. This one is kind of surprising. This one I kind of learned about later on in my healthy quest. This one is really big, especially for you environmentalists, because it endangers the orangutans. So it accounts for a lot of deforestation. Palm oil is the leading vegetable oil in the world. That one isn't like high up on the list, but if you can cut that down, you are helping the environment, animals, and yourself. Okay, you guys, last, number 5, anything that is labeled white, that is sugar, bread, pasta, anything like that, you want to get the wheat alternative, because everything that is labeled white, it just turns to sugar in your body, and that is not good, on top of all of the sugar we're already eating, and has bad health benefits for you guys. So those 5 things will greatly help the beginning stages of your journey, and you guys will be shocked. Cutting out those 5 ingredients, you cut out, I would say, at least 50% of what's in the grocery stores, of what you have to choose from, you guys. So, you know, start there and you guys will be on a great journey. Okay, you guys, so next up on our list, if you are avoiding those 5 ingredients, that is great. There is one more thing you really want to look out for, and that is GMOs, you guys. If you have not heard of GMOs, it's also known as genetically modified organisms. 90% of our crops in the US are genetically modified, and that means that it was not naturally made. It wasn't given to us by God or Mother Earth. It is made by man in a lab. GMOs are the biggest threat to our health, to our offspring, and to our DNA, you guys. It alters our DNA. It has long-term lasting effects. So you guys may be thinking, okay, I always see organic in the grocery store. What is the difference between organic and non-organic? Well, it just means that these are sprayed with pesticides and they contain glyphosate, you guys, which is also known as Roundup. These crops are sprayed with Roundup and they affect our health, our asthma, our allergies. You guys, I used to have the worst allergies. I used to spend so much money on over-the-counter prescriptions. After I stopped eating GMOs, my allergies went completely gone. Yes, there's propaganda out there that says, oh, well, organic crops are sprayed with pesticides also. There's not a difference. Now, yes, there can be a small percentage of cross-contamination because some GMO crops may be next to organic crops and the air blows the pesticides over to it, but they are not directly sprayed. I would recommend, if you guys want to learn more info, to check out GMO OMG on Netflix, you guys. Will love it, and I would also recommend you watching it with your kids. So for instance, all GMO veggies have a 4-digit barcode, you guys. If it's 4 digits, then it is not organic. All the organic vegetables have a 5-digit barcode, you guys. So if you're ever in doubt, check the barcode. 4 digits are GMO, 5 digits are organic. So you are always asking, where do I shop? Where do I get my organic products or my healthy products? I am here in my normal grocery store, but you just want to look for the I'm organic signs. Some grocery stores will have more organic than others. Sometimes I have to go to 2 grocery stores. Sometimes, you know, the organic section, it'll be sold out. So sometimes I can't get everything organic. So glyphosate causes cancer, anxiety, depression-like symptoms, and tumors, you guys. So just try to cut it out altogether. Okay, you guys, so I will leave all this information down below in the bottom bar. There's 2 brands that I really love, Simple Truth and O Organics. They're like sprinkled all throughout the supermarket. You'll kind of see your classic favorite food product, and then Simple Truth or O Organics will have like an alternative. Yes, it is more expensive, but it is definitely worth it, because you're either going to pay for it now or you're going to pay for it when you're sick and you need all those pills and medications, you guys. So that's what I keep in mind. And one more thing, if you guys ever get discouraged, remember, you vote at the cash register. So the vegan and plant-based movement is just booming right now, because if you are buying these products and you're showing these companies, hey, this is what I want, I care about what I'm eating, I care about my kids, my health down the line, they are going to continue feeding that demand. So you guys, there's always hope. And yes, you guys, let me know if you guys want more videos like this and what other questions you have or what videos you want to see next. Make sure to subscribe to my channel right now, you guys, and thumbs up this video. Until next time, you guys, I will see